Oh, hi, I'm Max Mendez, Director of Choirs at North Idaho College. We're going to see how much people really know about Christmas, my Christmas. Max Mendez on the street. In the song 12 Days of Christmas, how many drummers are drumming?
12.
Oh, you got it! All right. For an NIC music sticker, according to folklore of Austria, what horned figure punishes naughty children at Christmas time? Too much time! For an NIC music sticker, what country started the tradition for putting up a Christmas tree?
Germany?
Yes, good answer! Sounds of Christmas, December 11th and 12th at Schuler Performing Arts Center. For an NIC music sticker, in the original Home Alone, where are the McAllisters going on vacation when they leave Kevin behind?
New York City?
Wrong! For an NIC music sticker, in the original Home Alone, where are the McAllisters going on vacation when they leave Kevin behind?
Oh, Paris.
Yes! Yeah! Sounds of Christmas, December 11 and 12, Schuler Performing Arts Center. Where are we? Man! For an NIC music sticker, is Die Hard a Christmas movie? No, wrong answer! For an NIC music sticker, is Die Hard a Christmas movie?
No.
No, wrong answer. For an NIC sticker, is Die Hard a Christmas movie?
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right, good answer. For an NIC music sticker, no, not yet. In the song 12 Days of Christmas, how many pipers are piping?
7.
Wrong! It's 11! For an NIC sticker, what Bing Crosby song is the best-selling Christmas song ever?
White Christmas.
Right answer! Sounds of Christmas, December 11th and 12th at Schuler Performing Arts Center. Sounds of Christmas, December 11th and 12th, Schuler Performing Arts Center! Woo!